Hey everyone, got another video for you. Up north again. My last video I think is probably going to be the one where I was sweating my balls off in the desert. It's just too hot for that stuff right now. So I'm up north near a place called Potato Lake. Looks like we got some clouds possibly moving in. Slight chance of showers. Not going to bother us at all. It's actually quite nice when the clouds move over and block the sun. It's about 76, 77 degrees, so perfect weather. I've already seen quite a few puddles, and we got some nice mud all the way along this trail I saw that goes down. So that's always going to be a nice option for us there. However, I think what we're going to do is we're going to start by going all the way down here. And yes, she is a bit dirty, so maybe we'll clean the dash up while we warm it up. Also, we're going to do a front-facing camera on some of the shots too, going through puddles. See how that looks. Tried some rear-facing stuff in the desert yesterday. That worked out pretty well, so we'll do a little bit of that too. But let's get warmed up, and we're in park. Yep. All right. Like a fun road to go down. Oh, this is amazing. Forest is my favorite by far to off-road in. Just to trail cruise even. I kind of have a method to my madness. I scope out the main roads and then I start shooting down the side stuff. I'm seeing lots of little side trails. This is definitely going to warrant a couple of trips out here. Arizona is just so amazing. You can go in the desert, 100 miles away, you got this. So definitely got a lake up there. Sorry I'm not ripping it like I normally do. I've never been on this road before, so I don't know what to expect behind each turn. Stopping distance in the dirt is crazy, especially since my tires are kind of getting to the point of needing replacement. little creek down there. Where there's water, there's mud. Little chipmunk, what's up, buddy? Alright, so there's a lake that way, Knoll Lake. I think what we're going to do is we're going to cruise down that, yeah, let's cruise down that side trail I saw. That might actually take us to the lake. Maybe we will get some rain. God, I hope so. Oh yeah. Why is that so warm? It's probably like half deer piss. Guarantee this gets pretty deep. That is a problem. I wonder if I could clear some of these out. Wow. I feel like with all these, I guess they're ferns. I don't know what kind of plants they are, but I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park right now, and a velociraptor is gonna jump out at any moment. But in reality, it's probably gonna be a bear that eats me.
Yeah, that's nice. Gotta go.
I think we'll turn around. We'll take some cool pictures up in that clearing up there. And yeah, go down one of the other trails that are going off of this one. This is amazing. Yeah, let's get some pictures. Should be able to back right up this. Took some pretty cool pictures. I flew the drone around. I think got some pretty cool cinematic shots. I'll probably put a couple in this clip here. But I hear some thunder. No rain yet. I did take the drone up above the trees though to take a look and see how much cloud cover there was, and honestly it's not that much. It seems to be pretty localized. Right over here there's a pretty narrow band that goes down there that's a little dark, but if it rains, I can't imagine it being too much. Weird feeling. All right, let's check out another one of these trails. Digging this trail. This is why I always go to the very end of those main roads, or at least pretty far, and then I can kind of review my options on what was the coolest trail to hit. I got a couple more that I definitely want to go down, but this one has turned out to be definitely worth the drive all the way down. Looks like when trees fall, people just drive around them. Well, I'm small enough I can fit through that. I was wondering why the trail branched off. Trees blocking. Oh, I bet you this one got struck by lightning. Exactly what happened to that one. I've ran out of trail though. Maybe right here. Definitely something down there, some kind of road. If I can get down there, maybe I can go at it over here. Get a little bit of lean. Ooh, you touch that tree, kiss the tree. Of course, there's logs in the way. Well, it is officially starting to rain. Drop here, drop there. It's happening. Let's see here. We're gonna switch it up. What are we at? Till the battery dies. Oh man. Just farted. Look how huge those drops are. They're massive. Come on, hit my hand. Oh well. What's weird is there's like a mist in the air. I can feel it hitting my face along with the big raindrops. Storm noises, I love it. Alright, I found a pretty cool mud hole. I'm gonna do a little fun. It's just now starting to rain. I got the drone set up. Putting the remote right there. Let's do this. Get this camera going. Knocked it right out of the sky. Well, I wanted rain. I got me some rain. Should let up here probably within the next 30 minutes or so. And we're gonna have some mud. It's gonna be awesome. Oh shit, it's starting to hail. I see hail. Nice. Nice and dirty. get back at it. We're gonna go down that trail there. We're gonna wait for everything to fill up. Hells yeah. Oh, I am soaked to the bone, but that's kind of the idea. Wow, nice. All right.
Be careful. Oh my God.
Okay. Name of the game is I got the drone hovering over this big ass puddle. I threw on my extra set of dry stuff. Not gonna be dry for long though. And we're gonna get as dirty as possible in like the next 15 minutes or so. Make sure that's recording this time. And then we're gonna call it a day. All right guys, thank you for joining me on this wonderful trip. We're gonna do another one real soon, probably next weekend.